In this video, in using the algorithm generator 2.0, I want to continue with more information about tying the pineapple knots on different bite boundaries. So I'm going to go to my desktop and select the AG20. I'll double click that. This brings up our screen. We're wanting to do a standard 3-pass knot. So we're going to select 3 and we're going to hit enter. Now we want a standard pineapple knot, so we'll select 2. So we hit 2 and hit enter. Now this, we're tying a 3-pass knot, but it's asking for the position of the bite boundary for the second knot. I want my second knot to be a type 2 pineapple. So, and I like tying my left hand bite boundaries on the inside of the primary knot and then go outside the primary knot to make my type 2 on the right. So we're going to select number 4. So I hit 4, hit enter. Now this gives me the position of the bite boundaries for the third knot. Now because I selected a type 2 pineapple, I have the option of these, both of the, number 2 and number 3, which is about bite boundary 1 and 3 or 3 and 1. They will make it a type 3 pineapple knot. So I want it to maintain the type 2 pineapple but have it a 3-pass. So we are going to select number 1, bite boundary 3, 3. So I hit number 1 and hit enter. We're going to tie, it's asking how many parts and bites do you wish to have in the primary knot. We're going to input the number of parts, which we're going to do a 7. So I hit 7, hit enter. Input the number of bites. We're going to put 6 and hit enter. And we want to save this to a file, so we hit Y for yes and hit enter. This is going to be a 19 total part, 18 total bite, 3-pass, type S2 standard pineapple knot. We're going to follow the right of the second knot, and X equals 15. Our primary knot was a 7-part, 6-bite casa knot. Our second knot was a 7-part, 6-bite casa knot. So we have 2 knots the same size as the primary knot, giving us our type S2. Okay, this second knot was tied on bite boundary 2 and 1. So our primary knot in setting on 1 and 2. Our second knot is going to be setting on 2 and 1. And now our third knot is going to be tied in the center of our first 2 knots. So the third knot, which is 2 parts smaller than our primary, is a 5-part, 6-bite casa knot tied on bite boundary 3, 3. I hope that explains a little bit more about the use of which bite boundary to select. This is a nice little knot, and I hope you will try tying it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.